All right, it's September 23rd. A little update here. Got the peppers here. I just finished harvesting a bunch of them, some more, but still got some peppers here. Oh my God, this smells so good. Got cucumbers. Just finished getting those too. I'm just kind of showing you what we have. Um, got a harvested about 14 pounds of tomatoes, give or take, but still got a big old harvest coming up here. And oh, there's some more. I don't know why that little guy got my attention there. So that's where we are. We got some more peppers over here. I got a new pump here. Got returned it. Got it under warranty, but it's pumping pretty good. Threw some bloom mix in, and so let's see what happens here. I mean, I got some more blossoms on the tomatoes going. More blossoms on the cucumbers. So let's see if we could get some more production out of this darn thing. All right, you guys, peace out.